Hi students, today we continue study Unit 10. So, what is the title of Unit 10? It is recycling. And today, before we study the new lesson, I want you to tell me again some old vocabulary you have learned in last period. Now look at the 6 pictures here, and you try to name the pictures, name the things in the picture. What is in picture 1? It is glass. And picture 2, drink cans. Picture 3, bottles, a lot of bottles. And picture 4, pipe. Picture 5, vegetable matter. And picture 6, yes, car tires. Now we begin study Unit 10, recycling, with lesson 3, read. Before we study the new lesson, I want you to learn some new words. Now look at the picture. They are floor coverings. Coverings. Now listen and repeat. Floor coverings. Floor coverings. Floor coverings. And who is he? Yes, he is a mailman. 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 And what is it in the picture? Yes, it is glassware. Now listen and repeat. Glassware. 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 And what is the activity? The activity here in the picture. Now, it is refill. 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 And here, the money you give to somebody, it is called deposit. 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 And the picture is about melt. 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 Now I help you with the meanings, Vietnamese meaning of new words. Now listen and repeat after me one more time. Floor coverings. Floor coverings. Floor coverings. Mailman. Mailman. Glassware. Glassware. Refill. Refill. Deposit. Deposit. Melt. Melt. Now I want you to put the stress on the words. Coverings, the first stress. And mailman, yes, the first stress. Glassware, the first stress too. And refill, the first or the second? The second. And deposit, where is the stress? The first, deposit, or the second, or the third? Yes, you see the second. Now, you try to remember these vocabularies because they are very helpful for you to understand the lesson today. Now, before we read the text, I want you to guess. I want you to guess, is the sentence true or false? Now we have 5 sentences here. Number 1, nowadays, many shoes and sandals are made from old car tires. You think that it is true or false? You guess only. And number 2, every milk bottle can be reused 30 times. Number 3, the glass is made into old car tires. And number 4, in Oregon, billions of cans are thrown away every year. And number 5, compost is a wonderful natural fertilizer. And now 5 seconds for you to guess the sentence here is true or false. You write down your answer on your notebook. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now let's read the text. Recycling facts on the Green Gazette. We have the text about car tires, drink cans, compost, bottles, and glass. Now, 5 minutes for you to read the text. You should stop the video and read the text. And now, I go on. Let's check your guessing. Nowadays, many shoes and sandals are made from old car tires. Is it true or false? From the text. Yes, it is true. And how about number 2? Is it true or false? Every milk bottle can be reused 30 times. So it is true. And number 3, it is false. Which false? Yes. The glass is made into new glassware, not old car tires. And number 4, in Oregon, billions of cans are thrown away every year. Is it true or false? It is false. Which false? Yes, all over the world, not only in Oregon. And number 5, compost is a wonderful natural fertilizer. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Now, how many sentences are you correct? Good. If you have at least 3 correct sentences. Now, you read the test again, and then you do the activity here. Answer the questions. We have question A. What do people do with empty milk bottles? Question B. What happens to the glass when it is sent to the factories? Question C. What did the Oregon government do to prevent people from throwing drink cans away? And question D. What is compost made from? And question E. If you have a recycling story to share, how can you share it? Now you read the test again one more time, and then you answer the 5 questions on your notebook in 5 minutes. But you should stop the video to do that. Now I move on. I help you with the answer. What do people do with empty milk bottles? Yes, people cleaned and refilled empty milk bottles. For example, you can see in your life milk bottle and water. And question B, what happens to the glass when it is sent to the factories? Yes, the glass is broken up, melted, and made into new glassware. Question C, what did the Oregon government do to prevent people from throwing drink cans away? Yes, the Oregon government made a new law that there must be a deposit on all drink cans. The deposit recycling for recycling. And what is compost made from? Yes, compost is made from household and garden waste. And E, question E, if you have a recycling story to share, how can you share it? For example, if we have a recycling story to share, we can call or fax the magazine at 5265456. So that's the number in foreign countries. Now here are the basic information about the text today. You try to correct your answer. And now you read the text one more time. Read one more time, and then you do the matching here. Review things. Milk bottles, drink cans, households and garden waste, glass, car tires, and you recycling facts. Number 1 are recycled to make pies and floor coverings. Number 2 is made into compost. Number 3 are cleaned and refilled with milk or with water. Number 4 are brought back for recycling. Number 5 is broken up, melted, and made into new glassware. Now, 10 seconds for you to do the matching. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, I'll help you with the answer. Milk bottles are cleaned and refilled with milk. Drink cans are brought back for recycling. Household and garden waste is made into compost. And glass is broken up, melted, and made into new glassware. And car tires are recycled to make piles and floor coverings. So that's enough about the text today.